each path. In this example, the work is turning while being held in the chip.
Mechanism of metal cutting. In this video, we are going to discuss about the mechanism of metal cutting. Consider a workpiece and tool. During machining, cutting tool exerts a compressive force on the workpiece. Tool, workpiece, chip, tool face, shiny surface, rough surface, flank, relief or clearance angle, shear angle, rake angle. Sheared material flows along the cutting tool face are called chips. Orthogonal cutting process. In this video, we are going to see about orthogonal cutting process. Consider a single point cutting tool, cutting edge and workpiece. Cutting edge of the tool is perpendicular to the cutting velocity. Chip. Here, only two components of forces are acting, cutting force and thrust force.
Basic parts of an engine lathe: the headstock, spindle, tailstock, quill, ways, bed, carriage, apron, saddle, cross slide, compound slide, tool post, feed rod, and lead screw. The spindle rotates in both directions. The tailstock can be positioned along the ways, and the quill moves within the tailstock. The carriage also moves along the ways. The cross slide moves perpendicular to the ways. The compound slide moves at any preset angle over the saddle. The lead screw and feed rod also rotate and are reserved for certain automatic functions.